Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about some frequently asked question in the past. So I thought to make a video series. Let's get started. Yeah, sure. Many designers are drawn to the field because they have a passion for creativity and problem solving. They may have a natural talent for visual communication or a strong interest in the arts. Like designers may have been inspired by a particular design project or mentor that sparked their interest in the field. So, getting started in design field can involve a variety of paths, depending on an individual interest and background. So, designers may pursue formal education in design, something like a degree in graphic design or industrial design, or you can you can learn it from YouTube. So that's how I started. So others may learn through internships or self-study, something like that. So building a portfolio for work is often a key component of entering the design industry, as it showcases one's skill and abilities to potential employers or clients. So how did I get started in the field? Is something that after my graduation in BE computer science engineering, I went back to learn code, but after I realized that it wasn't really meant for me. And I joined in a company to teach people, where I was working as a design trainer, then slowly learned all the design softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, so and so. Actually, I had a natural talent for visual communication, and also interest in the arts, so that made me become a designer. Okay, what are the most important skills? I would probably quote creativity is something that you come up with new and original ideas that actually solves design's problem. And next, communication, the ability to effectively communicate the ideas and concepts to the clients or team members or stakeholders, and also that both verbally and visually, right? So next one should be technicals, being an expert in design softwares and tools, as well as knowledge of the design principle and best practices. So that is very important. And the very important one is attention to detail, like when you could notice a small thing in design to make its consistency better. And that's very important. And the final one, I would probably say collaboration, the ability to work well with others, including team members, clients, and stakeholders. So in order to develop these skills, designers can take a variety of steps, like pursuing a formal education in design, and participating in design courses, workshops, or even online tutorials that would work. And the important piece would be building your portfolio. I would probably say to everyone, hey, you should definitely build a good portfolio. That is very important. And then seeking out opportunities to work on design projects, either through internships or freelancing work or personal projects. It's up to you. And then finally, networking with other designers and industry professionals to gain insights and advice. That's a very interesting question. The design industry has evolved significantly over the years, driven in part by advances in technologies and changes in the consumer behavior. So in the past, design was often seen as luxury or add-on to products or services, but today it is recognized as a critical component of creating successful product and experience. So one major trend that has shaped the design industry in recent years is the increasing importance of user experience. We call it UX, right? So UX designers focus on creating intuitive, user-friendly and interfaces and experiences across a wide range of products and services, from mobile apps to physical products, something like that. So this trend has been driven by the growth importance of a technology in our daily lives, and the need for businesses to differentiate themselves by providing exceptional user experience. And another trend shaping the future of the design industry is something that move forwards more sustainable and ethical design practices with the increasing awareness of environmental and social impact of design. So designers are increasingly focused on creating products and services that are environmentally friendly, socially responsible, and culturally sensitive. So finally, I would say the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning is likely to have a significant impact on the design industry in the coming years. So AI tools and techniques can be used to automate certain design tasks, such as generating layouts or color schemes, and freeing up designers to focus on more creative and strategic work. At the same time, designers will need to adapt their skills to work effectively with these new technologies and ensure that AI powered designs are ethical and effective. Well, the biggest challenges is something that I would say one of the biggest challenges I face is meeting client expectation while maintaining their own creative vision. This can be especially difficult when they have specific ideas about what they want their designs to look like, but these ideas may not align with my vision. It happens. To overcome this challenge, effective communication is key. It's important for designers to have open and honest conversation with clients about their goals and preferences and limitations. By taking the time to understand the client's perspective and providing explanation and rationale for design decisions, definitely designer can often find a balance between their creative vision and the client needs. So another common challenge would be managing project timelines and deadlines. So design projects can involve a lot of moving parts, from ideation and research to execution and delivery. To overcome this challenge, I use the project management tools and techniques to stay organized and on track. So this would be more manageable task and setting realistic deadlines. And finally, designers may struggle with staying inspired and motivated throughout the design process. This is ultimately very important. So creativity can be unpredictable, right? And it's not that always easy to come up with fresh ideas. So to overcome this challenge, challenge yourself. Designers can try to find inspiration in a variety of sources, something like nature, art, music, or other design projects, or even collaborating with other designers or seeking feedbacks from peers can also help spark new ideas and keep designers motivated. Firstly, understand the client goals and requirements. So before you start any design work, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the client's goal and expectation for the project. By doing so, you can ensure that your creative ideas align with the client needs and preferences. And next, set clear project timeline. It's very important. A clear and realistic timeline for the project will help you manage your creative output and ensure that you're meeting deadlines. By working with the established timeline, you can better balance your creative ideas with practical considerations and also prioritize your creative ideas. During the design process, you may have several creative ideas. However, it's crucial to prioritize these ideas based on the feasibility and impact on the project success and alignment with the client goals. So this is very important. So you prioritize your creative ideas based on this and communicate effectively with the clients. It's very crucial. Is the key when it comes to balancing creativity with the practical considerations. And regularly update clients on the progress of the projects and ensure that they're aware of any challenges or limitations that may affect the project timelines or scope. So stay connected always. And finally, I would say flexibility. So being flexible and adaptable is crucial when balancing creativity with the practical consideration. You may need to adjust your creative ideas or even approach to ensure that they align with their timelines. So by implementing these steps, you can definitely strike a balance between creativity and practical considerations, ensuring that your design work meets the client's need while also showcasing your creative talent. Definitely. One of the most significant changes that technology has brought about is the ability to create and manipulate designs digitally. Instead of sketching ideas on paper or maybe even creating physical prototypes, designers nowadays can use softwares to create and refine designs in a virtual space. What an invention, right? So this allows for greater precision and control over every aspect of design. And also technology has also made it easier for designers to collaborate with team members and clients with cloud-based softwares and online tools, right? So designers can share their work in real time and receive feedback from others no matter where they are in the world. So overall, technology has had a profound impact on the design industry, and it will definitely continue to shape the way designers work and create in the years to come. Okay, what advice? First one should be build a strong foundation, meaning that make sure to develop a solid understanding of design principles like fundamentals, including color theories, typography, composition, and layout. So in order to learn this, take a course or read a book or watch tutorials, and do whatever you want. It's up to you. And second one would be develop a skill set. Is something it's very important to comfortable with the range of software programs. It's so important to be comfortable. So learn tools and techniques, learn about user experience, graphic designs, web designs, and branding, something like that. And the very important point, third point, would be this portfolio. A strong portfolio is a key to getting hired in the design industry. So definitely showcase your best work and highlight your skills. And finally is network. Connect with other designers, attend events, and join our design communities. And networking can definitely lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Collaboration is extremely important in the design process, as it helps to ensure that the final product meets the needs and expectation of the stakeholders involved. So whether you're working with the designers or clients or maybe even team members, collaboration is something that allows for more diverse range of perspective and ideas, and leading to a strong result. So one strategy for effective collaboration is to establish clear communication channels and expectations from the beginning of the project. So definitely this includes setting up regular check-ins, sharing progress updates, and providing constructive feedbacks to one another. It is also important to listen actively and be open to other ideas and feedbacks while still being willing to advocate for your own. So another strategy is to use collaboration tools and technology to facilitate communication and collaboration, something like a project management softwares, digital design tools, and tools like Google Meet and Zoom for video conferencing. So these tools can help team members work together more efficiently when if they are in the different location or time zones. So finally, I would say building a strong relationship with clients and team members is crucial for effective collaboration. This involves taking the time to understand their goals and priorities. So being transparent about your own process and decision making, and working together to find creative solutions to any challenges that arise. Favorite project? Okay, I worked on over 100 plus product. I love every project that I worked on, and they all are close to my heart. But the longest project that I ever worked with was a healthcare project. It took over 8 months totally. That was a kind of sort of full-time job. It's a contract based, but I really liked the team, and the way that we used to work was really amazing. Finally, we have come to the end of the episode. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and see you all in the next video.